Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Rakuten for cashback shopping, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Rakuten website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once you're registered and logged in, you'll see various options for earning cash back. To start shopping, browse through the list of stores on the Rakuten homepage. You can use the search bar to find a specific store if you have one in mind. Click on the store you want to shop at. You will be redirected to that store's website. Make your selections and add items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, review your cart to ensure everything is correct. Proceed to checkout and complete your purchase as you normally would. Once the purchase is confirmed, Rakuten will track your cash back. You can check your cashback balance on your Rakuten account dashboard. Keep an eye out for special promotions or bonus cashback offers. Make sure to use Rakuten every time you shop to maximize your savings. That's it. You're all set to enjoy cash back on your purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.